Hey guys, what's up? It's Rio here, back with another video. In today's video, we went to Talat Nat Rotfai Srinakarin, or in English, Srinakarindra Train Night Market. This night market is somewhat on the east side of Bangkok. It has quite a lot to offer, with affordable prices and not so touristy as many places can be.
Okay, I'll be here.
It seems like quite a trendy place, with some of the latest styles bringing a somewhat younger crowd. They also have quite a few bars scattered around the market, and it looked like alcohol prices were quite reasonable as well.
Sorry. Okay. Sure. You have berry smoothie?
40 baht. Berry with yogurt. 60 baht.
Berry with yogurt sounds
Okay.
good. Yeah. Sorry.
พี่มาปะลูกปะ
ไม่เป็นไรวันนี้แบบ
So the food has arrived, but my girlfriend is off shopping. So I guess I'll eat it by myself. Just got a little restaurant here. Kind of noisy. She's out over there somewhere. So this dish is komoyang, or grilled pork neck, and this other dish is fried pork belly. Looks pretty good.
What is the name of it? Okay. I never see. I like popcorn. Okay. Okay.
Other than the Thai food that me and my girlfriend shared at one of the restaurants, I got this crazy dessert. The stall that was selling it was called Smoke Monster. The man said it was popcorn, but the crunchy dessert thingies seem much more like big Fruit Loops to me. I think what they do is infuse the sweets with liquid nitrogen. Cannot be very healthy, but it was fun to act like a kid for a little bit. We didn't have time to see the whole market this time, which is quite unfortunate. as I've heard they have a ton of antique and vintage items, as well as numerous classic cars here.
So that was Talat Na, brought by Srinakarindra. It's got a lot of things, a lot of cheap clothes, and really didn't see hardly any foreigners at all. So yeah, mostly locals, and it was a great time.
Well, that's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one.